Stop scrolling. Stop hoping the economy will fix itself. If your plan for 2026 is maybe make more money, maybe survive, you're already behind. And yes, I see the panic in your eyes. Let's fix that. Hi, I'm Miss Muithathi. I make videos about personal finance, money, survival, and building something solid when life keeps throwing bills at you. If this video gives you clarity, a strategy, or just one good idea, consider buying a coffee. It keeps this channel alive and the work going. Link below or scan the QR on your screen. Stay with me. Alright, gather around. Don't be shy. I see you there in your bed, midnight, scrolling your phone, and the glow lighting up the panic in your eyes. Checking M-Pesa balance, fuel prices, school fees reminders. And then when you're about, feeling awful, a funny meme appears about being broke, to help you feel better. Well, welcome to the Kenyan financial circus. You want to not just survive 2026, maybe even thrive, or at least afford cheese on your burger. Let's talk about building a fortress of wealth while the economic hyenas are laughing at that budget of yours. Think of your finances right now. It looks like that Nairobi roundabout during a power cut, doesn't it? Just chaos. Matatus of debt cutting you off, and those traffic lights of willpower dead, and everyone out there is honking for your last shilling. And our mission, everyone on that traffic, is to become the guy with the flashlight or a whistle and maybe even a reflective vest. We are directing the traffic. Stop, move for a moment. Now, let's talk about how to increase your income and most especially protect your wealth in 2026 moving forward. I'll give it to you in 4 parts. Part 1, I'll call it the hunting ground. This is where you make more in the midst of madness. I need you to understand that you can't protect what you don't have. So, how do we hunt? Digital transformation is king. Your side hustle isn't selling socks from your boot anymore. It's you in your PJs, laptop sounding like a helicopter, offering a service to someone who's maybe in Nakuru, Meru, or even Norway. These are social media manager, virtual assistant, copywriter, you name it. The world is your client. Your biggest expense, this is coffee and pretending that the power won't go off. Because remember, we're in Kenya, okay? So when the lights are out, everyone panics. What of trade? With China waving duty-free flags. You see that your favorite aunt's mango chili sauce? That one. If you're smart enough, that's an export product. Or that friend of yours with Kitenge laptop bags, that's international fashion. All you need to do is just look around. Shine your eye. Look for something, that thing that you have that someone far away calls exotic. Find that thing, then figure a way on how they can get it. And yes, the 2026 finance bill might have some tax relief or not. Bottom line, don't faint. Planning for tax breaks in Kenya is like packing sunscreen for a hike in hell. But maybe a few coins stick to your palm. So, fuel the fortress, not nyama choma. Which brings us to part 2, the fortress. This is where you build your financial pyramid. Money you make is useless if it melts away. There's different ways it melts away. For instance, inflation eats your fries and promises to share next time. My dear, you need a pyramid. Legal, sensible. your very own financial pyramid. Break it down into 4. The base, which is security, 3 to 6 months of cash in something like a money market fund. Yes, it's boring, essential, and when I say essential, is mosquito net level essential. Next, stability, 3 to 7 year dreams. This is where you invest in treasury bills, bonds, or those CSD. This is money that won't give you heart attack, okay? Land, school funds, plans. Next, remember this is your pyramid, okay? This is the growth level. This is the 10-year wealth. Equity funds, Nairobi Security Exchange, and international investments. Please diversify. Don't hug one leaking basket, okay? Then lastly, aspiration, the fun stuff. This can be things like crypto, apps, and lottery level gambles. You only get to this level of your pyramid when you have money that you're okay in case you set it on fire. Only money you're fully prepared to set on fire. And if you want the fastest way to systemize this, my product, Why Your Wedding is Killing Your Wealth, isn't just for weddings. It's a blueprint that helps you identify leaks and help you build a fortress at the same time. You can grab it in the links below. Use it so that your money actually grows instead of disappearing into chaos. Now, part 3, the moats and traps. This is where you keep the hyenas out. Do you know that your predators aren't the markets? They are nonsense. This can look like shiny shoes, PowerPoint, or something like guaranteed results or returns. Run, okay? Run from that stuff. Debt? Good debt is a tool. Bad debt is a snake eating its own tail. So avoid it. Avoid the bad debt. Your greatest weapon here, knowledge. Okay? You should be out here demanding facts. And if you get to a point you don't understand it, just walk away. Okay? Don't pretend that you get it when you're not getting it. So walk away. Often, the most profitable trade is the one you don't make. Which brings me to the last part 4. That is your action plan. Start tonight. Track your spending for a week. Find vampires like subscriptions or habits, things that steal your future. Next, build your emergency fund. 1 shilling at a time. After that, start investing early. Even 500 bob. Okay? That's $3 or $4. Just ensure you're consistent, because consistency beats windfalls. Next, diversify. Land is fine, but don't hug it. Sasa? And lastly, review every month. If you find money not doing what you told it to do, fire it and hire a new plan. No mercy. So my dear, 2026 is not a monster. It's a circus. Okay? So don't get it twisted. Your job here isn't taming the lion. It's you being a better ringmaster. Okay? It's you building stronger cages. And finally, it's you collecting the money. So, blow that candle. Stop squinting at your phone. Sleep. Tomorrow, we build. Don't forget, if you want a shortcut to spot money leaks and systemize your wealth, grab my product below and get control of 2026.